We're going to talk today about credit reports and credit scores. Knowing what you need up front can help make this process a lot easier for you as you go looking to get pre-qualified for a loan, whether that be FHA, VA, USDA, conventional, or jumbo. Getting pre-approved is a great first step. Just click here. Analyzing your credit report and credit scores helps us to determine which program best fits your needs. Your credit report will tell us your credit history, what credit you currently have open, if you have any collections, judgments, or liens, such as tax liens, and if you've had any past bankruptcies. We also look for disputed credit lines. Keep in mind, if you're disputing a credit account on your report, you need to resolve this before getting a mortgage, as it can affect your credit scores. Speaking of scores, your loan approval is dependent upon your credit scores. The higher the credit score, the more program options you will have. As always, I'm here to help. Give us a call or email us with any questions on some of the documents you need to get a home loan, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks.